old case, but it involved my daughter, and she was on a motorcycle. A guy ran the stop sign. She couldn't get away, and she hit him. Okay? The problem is his insurance and stuff didn't pay everything. Like the airlift was like $17,000, so we still owe that. And the attorney we got has been disbarred, and we just found this out when her dad died, and we had to get an attorney for the estate this past July. We have not been notified or anything, and we really don't. And she's been out of work. She lost her home that she was buying, and she needs surgery redone on the one leg that was broke. You know, and it's just been really hard and frustrating for us.
So, Adam, hearing a little bit of the situation that Lorna and her daughter are dealing with, what advice do you have for them tonight?
Well, Tiffany, this sounds like a very complex issue, and I would highly recommend that they get in touch with an attorney to at least talk about what's going on and whether or not they need to get additional representation. Several issues I heard there. One, whether or not this case has already been resolved and settled with the insurance company. We don't know if there's any uninsured motorist coverage that might be available. Two, do not know if she was a minor at the time of the accident, which may leave her claim still open.
And Adam, tell the folks out there about stacking on uninsured motorist coverage. That is so important.
Right. Uninsured motorist coverage attaches to an individual, not an automobile. And so if a household has more than one car, you can take those coverages and stack them. The minimum in Alabama is $25,000 per automobile. If you had 3 automobiles on a policy, each one of them having $25,000, you could combine all 3 of those automobiles for a total of $75,000 in coverage.
Very unique.
And you mentioned too, we don't know whether or not her daughter was a minor. Does that plays a role in it too? Right.
Generally, as we talked about earlier, there's a 2-year statute of limitations for personal injury claims. It's different if you're dealing with a minor.
Okay.
In many instances, that claim can stay open until the minor becomes an adult.
And what constitutes a minor in Alabama?
Alabama's a unique state. Most states are 18 years of age. Alabama is 19.
And you'll have 2 years. Say if you're injured when you're a minor, 17, you have 2 years beyond the age of 19. So the statute can be really stretched out. So Adam's absolutely right. She does need to talk to a lawyer about that situation.
Some good information.